guys, we have arrived here at the DAMBRI Waterfalls. Here's the gate. Okay, 200.000 à? Okay. Crazy price. So we arrived. Hi guys, I'm here in the DAMBRI Waterfall Parks here, and sorry for my messy hair. It comes from motorbiking around, having the helm on it. Well, in the weekdays it's super silent here. I have the feeling I have to park it for myself, and including the employees here. Yeah, so I'm you can see around here. So it's also really suitable for kids. A lot of statues to take photos with, and a lot of slides, and also like playgrounds for kids. So I'm actually more interested into the waterfall. This is like included in the package. I paid 200,000 BND. I was like first shocked about the price, since I just want to have a look for the waterfalls, and I actually didn't expect a whole amusement park here. So I'm here and just strolling around, have a little walk. This is the way to the DAMBRI waterfall here. So you see, no one in line, only me. So going down the elevator here, and here you can see the waterfall already. Oh yeah, DAMBRI Zulik Tak DAMBRI. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, the DAMBRI waterfall here. And the environment is incredibly beautiful. Yeah, we gotta wait here. Yeah, come on. Okay. Woo. So there's also an interesting story behind the waterfalls. So the waterfalls were created by the endless tears shed by a woman who waited for the return from her lover from the forest. And he never came back. And yeah, she died because of sadness, and turned into this incredible waterfall, according to the local legends. Welcome to the cable car. Let's see. Oh, I think I'd rather not take this cable car, guys. Oh man. The DAMBRI waterfalls are truly amazing. The surroundings are very beautiful, and you gotta be careful. It's a little bit slippery, as you can see. So I gotta return back. So I checked the surroundings here of the waterfall area. It's really cool that they made a lot of places to go around. So look, water's coming up from the rocks. Hiking around in this beautiful nature landscape, I can definitely recommend you to bring some snacks to enjoy the area much more. So guys, just my lunch, chilling here. didn't even put my seatbelt. This guy, man. Oh yeah. I'd rather put my seatbelt on it. Oh shit. This guy was not even instructing me. He's like, okay, you don't have to. Oh yeah, that's so cool, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, whoa, it's getting higher. Oh yeah. Hey man, this is kind of boring, man. Yo, this is really slow, man. Wow. And nice, I didn't even have to move. You know, guys, I just wow, cool. I don't even have to walk, you know, that's awesome. Yeah. Kinda feel uncomfortable, guys. Oh man, whose idea was that?